Hi everyone, this is Siabonga. Today I'm going to be teaching you on how to in-text reference a book and also how to do the referencing at the end of your assignment or your research project. We are going to be citing a book for this example today. So I've just created a fictional book. The name of the book is Fall from Grace. The author is Prince Siyabonga Zama and Nomveliso Nala. The publisher is Scotsford Books. The city is Durban. The year is 2020. The edition is the second. And this is the text that we are going to be copying and placing it on our research or our assignment. It is found on page 2 of this book. Now, don't forget, this is a fictional book. It does not exist in stores, so don't go looking for it. Okay. So let's start our document or our assignment. I've just opened a blank document here. So what we need to do, we need to reference this text. So I can just copy it from the book, or type it. If it was a hard copy, you can just type it on your assignment. Okay, so remember, you can in-text reference it towards the beginning of the text or at the end. For example, we can say according to, and then we have our reference there, and then comma, and then continue and have the rest of the sentence. Now, meaning that the it, we change the I to a small I because it's no longer the starting of the sentence. And then another option is to have it towards the end of our text. If we copy it as it is, and then we can just have it just before the full stop. For this example, I'm just going to have it just before the full stop. So after greater, I'm just gonna press the space bar once, and then to in-text reference, we need to go to references at the top, click the references tab once, and then make sure the style is on Havard, since in South Africa we use the Havard referencing system. Because if you click the drop down arrow, you'll find that there are other referencing systems available, but for us we have to choose Havard. So we choose the Havard style, go to insert citation, you add a new source. On the type of sources, there are plenty of them, but for this exercise we choose book. The author of the book was myself. So we start with the surname, Zama, comma, my first name, Prince, space, the initial of the second name, and then you put semicolon. Then you add the next author, which is Nala, comma, the name Nomveliso. We said the title of the book was Fall from Grace. The year was 2020. The city, we said it was Durban. The publisher, Scotsford Books. And the edition, we said it was the second. Now remember, you can just always go back to the book just to verify if the details are correct or not. As you can see, they are correct. So then you click OK. Now you've already got the it automatically inserts Zama and Nala, which are the authors, and the year in which the book was published. Now what you can see, that is it did not add the page number where this text was taken from. So to do this, you click on this citation, click the drop down arrow, and then you choose edit citation. Then we found this text on page 2, so you just type 2 there and you click OK. So now it adds that page is page 2. So this is it for in-text referencing. Now, to have your references at the end of your assignment or your research, you just go to the drop down arrow under bibliography. Either choose references or works cited. Okay, then let's choose references for this one. So automatically it puts everything for us. The author being Zama PS and Nala N, the year of publication being 2020, Fall from Grace 2nd edition in Durban, and the name of the publisher Scottford Books. So there's nothing else that you need to do. Now let's say, for example, there was a mistake. Maybe it was not Nala, maybe it was Nama instead of Nala, but you wrote Nala. You can just go to the in-text, drop down arrow, you edit source, you change the L to M, you click OK. Then it will ask you if you want to update this list with these changes. Then you say yes. Now, as you can see, it changes to Nama, but it does not change the references. So you also have to go to references again, right click, then you update the field. Now it changes to Nama. Okay, but now let's just undo this, because Nala was correct. So let's just undo all that and leave it as it is. So this is how to do in-text referencing and referencing at the end of your assignment. You to reference a book using the Havard referencing system on Microsoft Word. Thank you very much.